When it comes to replacement windows, the process of choosing what's right for you and your home can feel daunting. At Feldco, we make your home window refresh as simple as possible. From double hung to casement, bay to bow, there are many different styles of windows that Feldco offers. Let's start with some basics. All Feldco windows provide comfort, safety, reliability, and affordability. They're designed and custom made with both our Midwestern climate and energy efficiency in mind, helping you save money on your energy bills. In addition, we offer a variety of colors, wood grain options, and grid patterns to help complement your home's style. Our most popular window is the Sophia Series double hung window. The double hung, or up and down window, has two moving sashes that can be opened from the top or bottom for ventilation and can be tilted for easy cleaning of both the inside and outside of the window. The ease of operation and beauty of the Sophia Series makes the double hung window a perfect choice for almost any room in your home. Feldco casement windows are another popular style. Casement windows open on a hinge much like a door with an easy-to-operate single-handle crank. With no interrupted sightlines, casement windows provide a great view from your home while also allowing excellent ventilation. The sleek design of the Feldco casement handle lays flush to the window frame so it doesn't get in the way of blinds or window treatments. Another choice that suits many homes is the slider window. Sliders offer clean lines and open side to side. Similar to the double hung, the sashes on the slider window allow for maximum ventilation and can easily be removed for cleaning. Sliders are a great option for almost any room in your home. Feldco picture windows, with a clear unobstructed style, provide amazing views and maximize the amount of light coming into your home. It's a fixed pane of glass that doesn't open to provide ventilation, but still offers great energy efficiency. Picture windows are commonly used to make living rooms and family rooms seem larger by allowing maximum light in. For a spectacular view from your home and some amazing curb appeal, we offer both bay and bow windows. Feldco bay windows offer a breathtaking design that adds substantial beauty to your home. These windows feature a large picture window flanked by two smaller windows. As they protrude past the wall of your home, a bay seat or a ledge area is created. A bow window also extends past the exterior wall of your home and is comprised of 3 or more identical-sized windows. Both bay and bow windows add dimension and lots of light to any room where they're installed. Opening outward from the bottom, Feldco awning windows create an awning effect, keeping the elements outside while maintaining an unobstructed view and allowing for some great ventilation. And they're great window options for kitchens, bathrooms, and even basements. Most typically found in kitchens, Feldco garden windows bring a little bit of the outside in. A garden window extends past the facade of your home's exterior. This allows light to pour in from the top and sides, and air flows in from the side vents. The garden window also provides a shelf that can become a wonderful living space for your green thumb. Feldco architectural windows, also called shaped windows, provide a variety of beautiful options. Often combined with other window styles or as a standalone, architectural windows come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Feldco has the expertise to design a template to match the exact shape you need for your window refresh. One more option is a Feldco hopper window, which opens inward, allowing for great ventilation. While most commonly found in the basement, they can be used in almost any room of the home. As all of our windows are custom made and professionally installed, the sky's the limit. Whatever your window replacement needs, Feldco will find the best windows suited for you. When you're ready to start your window project, call or visit us online. Feldco, improving lives one home at a time.